AnNafi leather cricket ball, white color, A grade, hard and seasoned, hand-stitched, no stamp, for indoor and outdoor practice cricket balls. Made from high-quality leather, AnNafi leather cricket balls are made from best quality leather to give you wonderful gaming experience. These are ideal for cricket clubs and matches for you to enjoy and spend a quality time with your friends and family. AnNafi dual color cricket coaching balls, sports training and fun balls. Training balls, double color, red and white, sports and games. Red and white synthetic cricket balls with white seam. These hand-stitched balls come in a beautiful red and white dual color with white thread for better visibility. Really attractive design and a joy to play with. Heavy checkmark construction, durable internal and outer construction with protective layer of synthetic material. Heavy checkmark. Driveline PlyoCare weighted training baseballs, improve velocity and mechanics, 100G, 150G, 225G, 450G. PowerNet recreation grade softballs bundle, 18-pack, perfect for softball, soft toss, batting, fielding, hitting, pitching drills or practice. Durable, PowerNet softballs have solid cork core with synthetic leather covers, raised red stitching. Regulation size and weight. PowerNet balls are manufactured to regulation 12-inch ball size and weight. Great for coaches or home, perfect addition to any home or coach training. PowerNet baseballs 24-pack bundle, recreation grade regulation size balls, perfect for baseball, soft toss, batting, fielding, hitting, pitching drills. Coach seat W/soft padding. Take this bucket with you anywhere on or around the field. Perfect seat for pre-game warm-up, practice drills, or around the dugout during games. The soft and durable padding offers a comfortable place to rest between innings.